Okay, this is how to do example 2 and 3 on page 3 of your notes from today. It says to show that the two given triangles are similar by stating the necessary transformations from circle C to circle D. So our first one is we're going to plot is for circle C. Our center is at 2, 3 and a radius of 5. So we plot the center first. So we're going to go over to positive 2 and up to positive 3, and we put a point and we label that as C. Then we go back and we count off our radius, which is 5. So we go 5 in all 4 directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to take our compass and we're going to place the part here on our center and then adjust this circle to make sure we're on our hole so that we're on top of one of our points. So I place that there on the center. I adjust my slide so that I am on one of the points. Then I place my pencil or pen in. I'm going to take this off screen just a minute so I can get this to turn because it's hard to turn for this. So we end up with our circle with a radius of 5. Then we're going to plot our second circle, which is circle D. Its center is at -1, 4. So we go over to the left 1 and up 4. That'll be point D. Now, because the radius is 10, I'm going to have to add some above it, because when I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I just took the ruler part of my compass and measured and counted off. Then I'm going to go 10 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to go 10 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to go 10 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to have to draw one more this direction as well. So that's going to be right here. And then I'll take my compass and I'm going to put the center point on the center and then open up my compass to where it will reach one of the points that's supposed to be on the circle. And I'm going to move it just enough so I can go ahead and do that circle next. And my circle's off just a little bit, okay, because it's supposed to be 10 in all directions. Alright, so there's our 2 circles. So we have a circle inside of a circle this time. Now, it's the transformations part that we need to look at. So like we did today, how can I get from circle C to circle D? So this time, I'm going to start with my translation. So I'm going to say, to cover circle D with circle C, use a translation to move circle C by X comma Y such that we're going to, since we're going to the left this time, we're going to go over 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go to the left. That's -3. Then we've got to go up, and we only have to go up 1 this time. So we're going to say Y plus 2. Okay, up and down is Y, left and right is X. Okay, and use a dilation with a scale factor of, Okay, remember I told you that it's the image where you start over the pre-image where you end. So in this case, our image where we started from, where we're going to end up at is 10, radius of 10, and our pre-image where we started from is at 5, but we can reduce that to 2 over 1, which is 2. And if you say 2 times 5, you get 10. So the bigger circle is twice as big as the smaller circle. Okay? Now, moving to number 3, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to plot circle C. Its center is at 0, -3, so we're at 0 and we go down 1, 2, 3. Label that as C. Its radius is only 2, so it's a very small circle. So you go 2 to the right, 2 up, 2 to the left, and 2 down. And unfortunately, that's a very small circle, so I'm just going to kind of sketch it by just put it together. Okay. All right, then my second one, circle D, center is at -2, 5, so over -2 to the left and up 5, and I label that D. Then I'm going to count off my radius of 6, so I go 6 in all directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because I have to go off the graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to use my compass to draw it, just like I did on the previous one. So that's going to be off camera for just 1 second until I get it done. And of course my paper moved just a little bit, so I'm a little bit off. Okay, hopefully yours will come out better. So then we say, how am I going to get from point C to point D? Okay, just like we did on the previous problem. On the previous problem, we went from point C to point D. Okay, and then we made it, then we used, so I did our translation, then we did our dilation. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to go, so we want C, the center here, to move here. So that means I have to slide it 2 to the left, and I have to go up. So we go 2 to the left, and then we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we go up 8. So that means in order to move, so to cover circle D, sorry, with circle C, use a translation of x comma y such that we said we had to go to the left 2, so x minus 2. We had to go up 8, so y plus 8 to move circle C. Then use a dilation with a scale factor, again, image where we end up over pre-image where we start of, and in this case our final one is 6. We started at a radius of 2, and of course that reduces to 3. And if you say 3 times 2, you get 6. So that means the bigger circle is twice as big as the smaller circle. And once you do that, you're done. So you should have both of these problems done when you come back to class tomorrow. Thank you.